Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cloudflare DNS and proxy settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Cloudflare website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your sites. Select the site for which you want to enable DNS and proxy settings. In the dashboard, look for the DNS tab and click on it. Here, you will see a list of existing DNS records. To add a new DNS record, click on the Add Record button. Choose the type of record you want to add, such as a name or TXT. Enter the required details, including the name and value of the record. Make sure to specify the TTL or keep it at the default setting. Next to the entry, you will see a toggle for proxy status. Toggle it to proxy to enable Cloudflare's proxy features. You should see an orange cloud icon indicating that the proxy is active. If you need to edit an existing record, click the edit icon next to the record. Make any necessary changes and ensure the proxy status is set correctly. After all changes, remember to click the Save button. Once saved, wait a few moments for the changes to propagate. To verify if Cloudflare DNS is working, visit the Analytics section. Monitor DNS query stats to confirm it is active. You can also check your domain using tools like NSLookup or online DNS checkers. If everything is set up correctly, your site will now be using Cloudflare DNS and proxy settings. Check back regularly to ensure your settings remain optimal. That's it. Your guide on enabling Cloudflare DNS and proxy settings is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.